In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drill through in Power BI, making your interactive reports even more powerful and insightful. We'll go step by step through the process, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of each part. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up Power BI. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the official Power BI website and download it from there. Once you've got Power BI up and running, you'll be greeted by its straightforward interface. This is your main dashboard, where you'll create and manage reports. Next, you need to import your data into Power BI. To do this, look for the Get Data button, which is typically located at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a menu will pop up displaying various data sources Power BI supports. Whether your data is in Excel, SQL Server, or even online sources like Google Analytics, choose your format and follow the prompts to load your data. Be sure to check that your data is correctly formatted and free of errors before proceeding, as this ensures that your report will be accurate and effective. Once your data is successfully imported, you can start visualizing it. Here's where you choose the type of visualization that best represents the insights you want to showcase. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a panel dedicated to visualizations. You have options ranging from bar graphs to pie charts to more complex custom visualizations. Pick one that suits your needs and drag it onto your canvas. This will serve as the starting point of your dynamic report. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, adding drill-through capabilities. Drill-throughs allow users to interact with and dive deeper into specific data points, giving them a more nuanced understanding of the data. In the Visualizations pane, you can drag fields into the drill-through well. This action tells Power BI which data points you want users to be able to click on to get more detailed information. Think of it as creating a pathway through your data hierarchy. For instance, if you're analyzing sales data, you might want to allow users to drill through from the total sales chart down to individual regions or even specific sales reps. At this point, it's essential to test your drill through. Interact with your report on the canvas, clicking on the data points you've set up to ensure that the drill through works as expected. If you've done it correctly, clicking a data point will bring you to a more detailed page that presents the finer details of that specific data aspect. Remember, the key to a successful interactive report is ensuring each element is clear and intuitive for users. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to enhance your Power BI reports significantly. Thanks for tuning in and happy reporting.